This is Pranav Goa Thakurta from EduTV. With us is the Chancellor of Shobhit University, Kumar Shekhar Vijendra. He is a renowned educationist of India. Welcome, sir. Sir, as we have a new education policy after more than 3 decades, and I think it's a very welcome thing. Sir, we would like to have your advice towards a more holistic and multidisciplinary education and transferable credits, and students can do the course as per their requirement. They can take exit after first year, second year, third year, or fourth year. Sir.
So, Namaskar. Thank you very much, Pranav. And I congratulate EduTV because since long, EduTV had been advocating about desired changes in higher education, in school education, and the new education policy 2020 addresses many of those recommendations which EduTV has also advocating. So, first of all, I take an opportunity to thank and congratulate Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Bhai Modi ji, that under his dynamic leadership, our energetic Education Minister, Dr. Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank ji, declared a new education policy 2020. It took us more than 3 decades to have a new policy. However, I believe that education is such a subject which needs a review very frequently. And time to time, we must review and incorporate new things, whatever is required. When I look at new education policy and specifically these 2 points, what you have asked me, one, India is such a large country, and as demographically dividends are there, that to take a commitment from a young man for 3 years, 4 years, that now you are committed to a degree program and you do this thing. In today's world, it was very tough. And this wonderful initiative that if you wish, you enter in, earn credits. After first year, you earn a certificate. You can exit, go to the industry, explore your skills or knowledge and experiment with that, apply that knowledge, come back, spend one more year in education, take advanced diploma, go back, and then come again, and you can have a degree. So this credit bank system and transferable credits, this is one such initiative which will help in enhancing our gross enrollment ratio, and it will help our youth to join more and more institutions. Because many times what is happening that 3 4 years a student is committed to the education, higher education, and once he goes back, either he is not able to get an employment or he's searching or he has no exposure of the industry. So that part I am sure will be covered in that, and it will be very helpful for many of the students, especially those who earn and learn. So for them especially, it is a wonderful initiative taken by the government, and our gratitude to the government for this. When we talk about multidisciplinary approach, what new education policy advocates, the times have changed. Earlier, we were studying a subject, then interdisciplinary approach came. But today, if we look at the industrial scenario, the research, the complete system has so changed that everything is interlinked. Today, if I talk about agriculture, for example, agriculture cannot work without management. Agriculture cannot work without information technology. And for that purpose, Shobhit University developed a Center for Agri Informatics long back. I'm happy that since many years we have that center, and that is the only center in the country. So for being only in the country, I'm happy also as well as I'm sad. because people are not understanding that this multidisciplinary approach is required. I wish that as new education policy talks about it, there will be more such centers, those who will be talking about multidisciplinary areas. And it will not be only in agriculture or in biology, like biomedical engineering, bioinformatics. So many things are there which need to be addressed. And it will help our students to develop their skills which they were not able to develop otherwise. A student of computer science, if he wants to have some credits from business school, now they can take it, because institutions also, they have to be multidisciplinary now. If I want to learn something of music or humanities, however I am a student of engineering, I can go for that. This is the beauty of this education policy, and it integrates our education system with the current global education system. We were working in isolation. We were working something which was outdated. And this is what the government has done.
Thank you so much, our Chancellor, Shobhit University, Kumar Shekhar Vijayendra. All the stakeholders of education, they're always benefited by him, either it's a school education, college education, even the corporates. And we would be needing your support in the future also on the same. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much.